If you are struggling with acne and breakouts, then today's video is just for you. We are making fresh neem powder at home. Super simple, super effective, and then using it to create an amazing DIY face mask to tackle acne and breakouts. Neem is packed with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an holy grail ingredient for acne-prone skin. So if you are ready to tackle the breakouts naturally, let's get started.
Take neem leaves, wash them thoroughly in water. Remove the leaves from a stance. Dry them in shade for 4 to 5 days. After 4 days, when the leaves are completely dry and able to crush them with your fingers, put them in a mixer to grind them. This is how it looks after grinding. Filter the powder. Now your homemade neem powder is ready. Neem powder can be used in various ways in our skincare. They are very effective in removing pimples, dark spots, acne and its marks. They are also used to treat minor infections.
First, take a clean bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of neem powder. Add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Add 2 teaspoons of rose water. Mix it well. Apply it onto the face and leave it for 20 minutes. A simple all natural way to make neem powder at home and use it for a powerful anti-acne face mask. With regular usage, this will clear breakouts, reduce inflammation and gives a healthy glow to the skin. If you find this video useful, then do share it with your friends who are suffering from acne breakouts so that it will be useful for them too. Until next time, take care. Bye.